Both motors on, wires nice and in the clear. The motors are nice and tight. Oops, well, maybe this one isn't so tight. Okay, that's pretty good. And now you can put the wheels on the shaft. You can see the shaft is kind of a rectangle with curved ends, and so you want to make sure those line up to the wheel, and then just give it a push. You also want to take a look and make sure that it's not interfering with the screws or the mounting brackets, and if it is, maybe just pull it out a tad just to make sure you have good clearance there. Okay, so there's our motors. Next we're going to install some copper standoffs. Very impressed with the quality of the material and the way it's organized in this kit. And we are going to need 4. So the way these work, see they have screw can go in here, and then they have a screw base. So we're going to need some more M3 nuts for those. And then they want us to install these like this. I'm just going to put them on hand tight for now, and we're going to want to tighten them down after all 4 are in. And if you have anybody who doesn't have fat fingers like me, I would let them do this part of it, because these things are tiny. We can do it. This is a 3/16 nut driver. I don't know if they provided one of these that will hold these in place. Yeah, so well, it's a little loose. Maybe not exactly the right size, but it might work. Anyway, I'm going to use my 3/16 nut driver because it fits mostly snug, and my 5mm wrench, and just tighten these down nice and tight. Not so tight that you crack the plexiglass. Don't want that. But nice and tight so they will never come loose. There we go. Okay, next, servo motors.